You do the tactical
better be
roll.
doing the tactical slide.
Yo, shit, go! To the left of the door, go to the closet!
Gotta be on that door. Oh, there's a guy down here that can get it before. Oh shit. Back to below. No one there. You through.
Just to talk about anything else.
What?
Just to talk about anything else.
Oh man.
Nothing, zero. You go live for yourself. The real shit! Wow! Dave, do not shut up! Dave, do it open! Guys are so mean.
Hey, get up!
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, now 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stand by, no respawn game, no respawn game.
Don't shoot it! You can't respawn!
Stand by. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, we're here.
Watch out. Closet. Close it.
Manning's at the end. Manning's at the end. Clear, clear, clear.
Switch to the roadside.
All the way again. All the way again.
God.
Friendly fire counts,
You knocked that shit off!
That hit me just now.
He's coming back.
I know who sucker this is, but Lucky was it.
Why am I?
Hey, do you like dragons? I'm about to be dragging these balls across your face right now. Oh shit.
Whoa, what the fuck? Then I got a little dick. Hey!
Huh? Yeah, I'm recording you now.
Oh shit.
Now it's filming. We got that on camera.
Yeah, buddy.
Yep, here you go. You can say whatever you want to say.
Yeah, buddy.
Yeah, buddy.
What up, dog?
Yeah, dog.
See, you know what? You just need to get a video of me later. Be like, you're fighting something like, bah, fuck your swag, nigga, bah, yeah, bah, get some bitch. Fuck your swag.
Do it, Dylan. Do it. Do it, Dylan. Do it. Game bait. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh! Oh! Tactical sleeping. Dynamic. This is dynamic. Did you break it? Oh, tactical.
What's up? Hey, I'm fucking, I'm dead.
We don't have the airsoft. We can just sit here and look at it, man.
Oh, don't do that because I can't see.
What?
Don't do that because I can't see.
Dog, it's soft. If you're recording, if you're seeing this, I'm sorry for rubbing your face with my glove. I shouldn't have been doing that, and I apologize.